What's up, guys? It's Daniela here, and today we are going to be playing with our chickens. But before we get started, subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, comment down below anything, and I'll reply back to you.
And I'm gonna do my YouTube video now. Shoot.
Okay, so we are doing something fun right now. It's gonna be really fun.
What's up, guys? It's Joaquin.
And
today I'm gonna be with my
here
big chickens.
And yeah, let's go. See, this is what they're doing right now.
Look at you see my chicken. Hi. This is Brownie. She always gets bullied by all of these ones except for this.
Yes, she does. This is a chicken that gets bullied, guys. It is so badly sad. This one here is Shelly. And then this one here, Brownie. And then
I got 8 of them.
Chocolate pudding, peel, milkshake, chocolate pudding, vanilla pudding right there, and then Nelly, and then this one's coconut water. We have 8 chickens. It is really fun.
This is my sister.
They were so small. Hello.
She has a YouTube channel too now.
And check it out. You have to write Joaquin Chavez, but then it'll show up on. We'll put Joaquin Chavez Minecraft, but I have a, and then it'll say Daniela Gaming. We have to still fix that. And Brownie is like, she loves us. So, also, they used to be so small before. They used to be so small. And so, yeah, they used to be like babies. And they grew up so fast. I'm sorry we haven't said anything about them. But yes, this is our vlog. This is our backyard mostly. It's a little basic. But we ain't basic that way. I'm going to take you into their coop. This is their coop. Hi.
Hey, what was the chicken food?
It's in the grill. You have to put it back. And this is their whole coop food section. Hello, milkshake. Hello, Nelly. Oh gosh, it's cold. Sorry, guys. I'm going to have to sit you down for a minute. I need my jacket. Sorry for that. But actually subscribe to my brother's channel. Check it out. Hi, Vanilla Pudding. We called her that because she looks like a vanilla pudding because she has like a little cracker skin color and she has a white butt like vanilla because it's like vanilla styled. And we have to always clean out their coop. I'll show you. This is their dirty poo stuff we have to clean out of their coop. And sadly, we had lizards that my brother's lizards had died. It's a different brother I have. His name's Christian, and this is their death station where they died, and it's Shadow and Lumen. They were amazing. We grew a tree for them. No. Actually, we didn't, but we'll take you into this alley right here. And have a great little tunnel. I have a punching bag. Have a towel.
Okay.
This is where they get water sometimes. But have a great day, guys. I'll see you next time. Subscribe and have a great day. Bye.